SuccessFactory is the network that's built around 3 values: marketing, innovation, and financial education.
And I've never seen a company event like this.
The future is all about SuccessFactory, the way we gonna rock.
This is the first company which I found so ethical and so transparent.
Un'azienda molto seria e molto trasparente.
La legalidad, la transparencia que muestra esta empresa.
SuccessFactory sounds so good.
Learning from the best is very important, because if you learn from the best, you become the best.
Company every time hiring the greatest trainer in the world.
Tiene los líderes y los mentores que me pueden llegar al siguiente nivel a nivel mundial.
Con una leadership di questo genere so che possiamo fare veramente grandissimi risultati.
Different attitude, different way of working.
The developments, the news.
El profesionalismo de la compañía.
The trainings is very on a high level.
If you want different results, you have to make different choices.
L'azienda giusta, il progetto giusto.
But your success is a choice.
Vision and the goals and the plans of this company are so far unbelievable and credible.
The company is here to stay, but we are definitely also here to stay to make it big.
See their integrity, what their plans are for the future for SuccessFactory.
In the future, it will be bigger and bigger.
The newses, the trainings.
Everything fits, it feels like I'm part of an amazing project.
There's so many people that can benefit from this technology, from this Dagcoin.
And the knowledge of the company is growing.
Learning about education.
SkillX, where you can become the one destined to be.
And I want SkillX to be able to help you. We learned a lot. We meet a lot of good friends.
This is one team.
Es una realidad tremenda la cual no te puedes perder por nada del mundo. Everything that has been promised has been made.
We are here for the long term.
Gran liderazgo corporativo y sobre todo una proyección para los próximos años de nuestra compañía.
We all belong to the community of successful thinking.
They were excited to see what is coming, and I feel that they really saw what we see in the future.
The leaders that you have seen achieve success by knowing what's important for them and their team members. That's why it's important to figure out your primary motivation factor. Now, motivation comes from looking at the things you want and what it takes to get them. It's good to learn about people's dreams and goals by having this conversation. What's your number one priority? Is it earning extra income? Having financial freedom? Owning a business? More spare time? Personal development? Helping others? Meeting new people? Retirement? Or your legacy? I'm curious to find out your motivation, so think about these things and watch the next video.
Hi, it's me again. I've left you many messages and still no answer. You know I'm going to keep trying. I won't disappear, no matter what. You know, I'm here and I'm not leaving you. I will always be there, because even if you insist on failing, I won't make it easy for you. I don't know who told you that you were not able. The point is that you believed it. Failing is easy. I told you before. All you have to do is keep doing the same. Always, without changing. The signs are everywhere, right in front of you. Don't you see them? work where you want or where you can? Have you been to the places you've always wanted to go? Does what you do make you happy? Do you live or simply survive? Yes, I know it's not easy, but who told you it would be easy? Do you think that the other one, the one at the top, had it all smooth? You think it didn't hurt? You think they didn't fall 1,000 times? Or that others were not afraid to start again and take a step forward? Of course they were. They were afraid. They doubted, panicked, but... Let me ask you something. Every morning, when you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you see? Do you see what you once dreamed about, or do you see a different person? Are you the best version of yourself, or have you only reached some point where there is nothing left to do but to settle? But you know what? Make no mistake, there is nothing that would prevent you from being who you want to be. Come on, wake up. Open your eyes for a moment and take a look around. It's right there. Don't you see? Tried to mute me, but I'm still there. You already know who I am. You've always known. I am the flame that lives within you. Turn it on.
Is it clear for you which factor is your number one priority? And why did you pick that one? Why is it important to you? What are the consequences if you don't get that? And why would this worry you? By asking these golden questions, you really get to the core of your why in life. Remember that questions are the answers. So that takes us to the last question. Why don't you have that now?